Alright, got corner beads, sandpapers, sand blocks, and then mud, and then drywall tape. Heading back to the home site. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Looks like the steps are done too. It's covered. I think we have to put the carpet on here. Alright, so I put the corner beads, did some mud work over here. Okay, looks cool. I like it. Okay, so this is how the bathroom looks like. Okay. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. Looks good. This part. Okay. It looks kind of odd, but it's okay. The surrounding of the windows are done as well. Okay, so this is the back of the bathroom. Alright. So this place is gonna be closet. And this place is gonna be bifold door.